Alright guys, so the next day, really haven't done anything to the car, but my wife did step out, so I'm going to go ahead and fire this off for you. It is completely cold, and I don't even have, the battery is, these are just sitting on here, they're not even tightened down, okay? And it fired off just fine, so I haven't even tightened these up yet, as you can see. These are both just finger tight. Got that. Turn this on. Okay, it's still the still have the stock starter and alternator on there. So we will fire it off and we'll see. We'll test the ground connections, but it worked for me last time. So here we go. Here we go, guys. Alright, no problem. Pressure's coming up. Ice cold, so. There we go. All right, there we go. So that is, I'm going to call that fixed, and we'll do. We will start with the starter and trying to figure out what why the alternator squeals that one little bit when it first starts. Of course, I do only have a 4-rib belt on there versus a 6, but it's only turning the one thing, so I don't know if that's an issue. There's a guy at the track, actually, he bought some parts from me a while back, and he has a low mount. He actually has the same exact alternator bracket and everything with a 3G alternator, and he did have a 6-rib belt from Napa. So I'll, when I switch the alternators, I'll run over to Napa and take this belt and see if they can match it up with a 6-rib. That more than likely will get rid of that issue, but I'm going to do the starter first, and we'll see if it cranks over better, easier, what have you. And then we'll do the alternator. We have a week until, well, actually we have 6 days until the next streetcar night is next Wednesday, and today is Thursday. So that's it for tonight, guys. But I just wanted to show you that the grounds were the issue, or something in the wiring. But all I did was was redo all my grounds on the starter and battery circuit, and that fixed it. So. Anyway, guys, hope that helps somebody, and hopefully we can get to the track and get a good solid pass and get deeper in the 10s. All right, guys, have a good night. Thank you.